We are at Catherine's house right now, and can they see it?
Yeah.
Okay, so yeah, a tree fell on her house. It was right there. So
Stand on the stump.
okay, yeah, she'll go stand on the stump, and her dog is joining us. Pip. Wait, jump!
No.
Yeah.
Here.
Do it for the video. Okay, that was fail.
Ow.
Alright, so all we're doing is taking the thingies and putting them down there. Fail. Okay. Jeez, if this falls, it's gonna go viral. I'm just kidding.
It shouldn't fall. I just don't know how strong that dog's is.
Okay, you wanna help me with that awful one?
You said you could get it. Okay, I got it then. You stuck again?
Yes, I got it though. Okay. What the heck?
What?
It's got like, I don't know how to explain it.
I'm coming.
I'm going to stab myself. I got it, never mind.
I stabbed my leg.
I did too.
And I just broke my stick on purpose. I broke my stick I was coming on.
Yay! I got a little bridge up to the horse tree. Oh my goodness, that almost hit my phone.
And watch my dad be like, alright, Dad, we gotta move it. That's my dog. Ew.
Where? Okay. I don't know where she's going. She's running away. Pip, where's she going? Alright, that's cool. You don't have to answer. There we go. Is it gonna say?
Sure.
Can it see? There's Cat again. Okay. So a story is we're trying to take a branch, well, like a giant branch, and like push it that way, but then it came back this way and Cat almost got smushed.
Hey, stop it! You're not helping.
So we're gonna try to do it again, but with different ones. This one's in the ground.
That's what I told you.
Oh.
I told you that one's in the ground.
Okay, well I'm not gonna be able to get it out, so this is your job. No, I got it. I almost got it. Not really. Okay. Okay. You did it before. I don't know how you did. So, meanwhile, it's really stuck in there, okay?
Alright,
There you go, Pip.
that's
And
kind of true.
Pip, the dog, to save the day.
Dig it, Pip, dig.
Keep going.
Okay. She did it. Dig, Pip. Dig.
Go, Cat, go. No, ride it. Alright, let me check. Oh, watch me get hit. Alright, you're good.
I'm stuck again.
Dude.
I'm going backwards.
No. No.
There's no brakes on this thing? Man, that's dangerous for this thing.
I know.
I'll do it down the hill.
Okay, just go. Uh-oh. Okay, never mind. They're not turning.
I'm going backwards again.
Da 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 da. Da. I don't see any. Hold on. Ah! Did a time-lapse video of us attempting to play badminton, so if I can, I'll put it in there. And there's a ghost, and it's haunting us. Cat, no one would believe that. But literally, like that little tricycle thing, it started moving on its own, and we got closer, and it kept on moving. It was really weird. And Catherine flew off, and I'm just kidding. That was horrible. if she just came. And, okay, so it's like Catherine flew across the. Just imagine Cat flying over there, and there's just random birds dropping to the ground. That's weird. Your hand is freezing. Smile. Okay.
You cannot record a video? Well, you know what? Snapchat, record it!